most of the times today what we are seeing is universities would implement some sort of a mental wellness scenario, but that would be most focused on people that need immediate care. And while that's a good thing, I mean that's a great progress that we are able to provide capability for people that need immediate care. Our challenge really is that's not the problem statement. The problem statement doesn't start with a student going to the stage of where they may want to, commit suicide or where they are entering into clinical depression. The problem in the mental health world really starts with the first time somebody gets sad and lonely. And then it goes on to get reinforced over a long period of time. And then somebody gets into a stage of dejection. From dejection is where we see people getting into hopelessness and then perhaps into clinical depression and perhaps into thinking suicide. Suicide and depression are not the initial points of where students need help. By the time they get there, I mean, a lot has already been lost. There is a lot of water under the bridge at that point of time.